Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to back up and recover your crypto wallet using the Ledger Live. Don't skip this if you value your coins. So let's get started. First, the step 1. Your backup is your recovery phrase. This phrase is your backup. If you lose your ledger or it's damaged, this is the only way to recover your wallet. Write it down and store it safely offline and never share it to store it digitally. Then, step 2 is to recovering a wallet. If you're replacing or resetting the ledger, open a ledger live, then choose a restore from recovery phrase during setup. Then enter a 24 words carefully using your ledger device, and this will restore access to all your crypto accounts, balances, and settings. And the important tips: use the exact order of words. Never enter your phrase on websites, mobile apps, or cloud notes. Treat it like a digital identity. Whoever has it has your crypto. And that's how you back up and recover your wallet with Ledger Live. If this video tutorial helped you, please help smash the button, subscribe for a Ledger tutorials, and let me know if you want a guide on setting up a new device safely. And that's it. Thanks for watching.